There's definitely a potential that we can cooperate with Chongqing Dima Robotics Co. Yeah.
April 13th to 16th, the InnoEX 2026 is being held in Hong Kong under the theme Innovate, Automate, Elevate. Focusing on world-class innovation and technology solutions, AI applications, and electronic products, and featuring a series of forums, seminars, and business matching sessions, the event has attracted over 550 exhibitors from 21 countries and regions to jointly explore new opportunities for tech collaboration and trade.
我们现在的咖啡机器人第7代已经能够支持在平均55秒之内出产一杯咖啡，并且能够实行3D 打印以及手工拉花。我们现在已经出口到了全球超过65个国家，在东南亚、欧洲、美洲都已经有我们的机器在那边落地。
During this year's expo, the Chongqing Pavilion brings together 8 hardcore tech enterprises, showcasing the city's profound accumulation and dynamic growth in frontier fundamental research, digital technology, intelligent manufacturing, and aerospace, thereby establishing a vital bridge for the precise matching of innovation resources and industrial collaboration between Chongqing and Hong Kong.
It's Shelly, right? Solar ring can predict heart attack and stroke 24 hours at advance. Through this exhibition, we would like to expand our international market.
Now we are literally the second largest piston aircraft engines makers in the world. And we have customers not only in Europe, in Africa, in Southeast Asia, also in Middle East. And every year the market is growing.
60 is the biggest engineering service provider in China, and we are one of the largest in the world. We set up our overseas business department in 2024, and now we have penetrated to Vietnam, Indonesia, and the UK.
从这个智慧病理和干细胞来讲，这个金凤实验室都应该是国内就是最好的平台之一。我们也准备跟这个大学和科研机构合作，在香港落地渔港生命健康中心希望能够给香港的生命健康领域带来一些新的这个发展。它是一个开放的窗口，通过这个链接全世界。我想把这个优秀的资源，一个是集聚到这个重庆来，另外是把我们的一些好的成果能够输送到全世界。
We mainly focus on waterless cleaning robots. It's designed to make cleaning more smarter and more efficient and much easier to maintain. And we are expanding to 20 more countries in the world, and we are really looking forward to find more partners over the world. I will say today it's going really good because we find a lot of people, they are interested about our solutions.
We've been researching robotic cleaning solutions already. We've been doing some market research in Canada and in Germany, and we're really curious of bringing the products into the market. I think it's good. I think that it has the 3 brush methods, so it really, you have the sweeper in the back, you have the sweepers in the front, and even underneath these ones, the microfiber sweepers. So I think it works quite well. The manual mode works well. I tested that one as well, and it looks like a good quality product. What's exciting about China is that they have many solution providers. They're very flexible in terms of how do you organize the software with the hardware. They're always open to different business models. They're open to different technology stacks, and I think that makes it very good for overseas expansion. There's definitely a potential that we can cooperate with Chongqing Dima Robotics Co. Yeah.
Additionally, Chongqing Pingwei Enterprise,
we have run this industry for more than 40 years.
Chongqing Tianjin Inertial Technology,
we have gained a very high honor of the little giant at the national level.
and Partner Robotics,
We have exported this robot to many overseas countries, including Europe, USA, Southeast Asia, and Middle East, and the feedbacks were pretty good.
are also showcasing their products and technologies at the InnoEX.